ChuChuTV Police!
There was a factory in Scottsdale that made surprise eggs. All the surprise eggs were filled with the kids' favorite toys and candies. All the workers worked very hard to make the eggs. When the eggs were ready, a machine would wrap them up nicely and tie a ribbon around them. A factory worker would then store the eggs in a storeroom, and another worker would count them. But one morning, when the workers came to the storeroom, they found all the eggs missing. They immediately sounded the alarm. All the workers then rushed to meet the manager. The manager grew very worried about the eggs, and so he called the ChuChuTV police. Chief ChuChu and officers Chiku, Chica, and Cha-Cha rushed to the factory. They spoke to all the security guards. They also looked around the storeroom. Chief ChuChu spotted a security camera. The police team then watched the videos it had captured. The videos showed some thieves sneaking into the factory when the guards had dozed off. It was a gang of 4 thieves: Gilly, Silly, Johnny, and Connie. They have always troubled the people of Scottsdale. The thieves had entered the storeroom. They had taken the eggs away in a truck. The police team met the manager. They then came up with a secret plan to catch the thieves. Chief ChuChu hid in a giant surprise egg. Officers Chica, Chiku, and Cha-Cha hid in some other ones. The factory worker then kept all the giant eggs in the storeroom. That night, the thieves sneaked into the factory once again. They went into the storeroom and saw the giant surprise eggs. The thieves, whose names were Gilly and Connie, then took all the giant eggs away. Gilly and Connie took the eggs to their hideout. They showed them to their friends. All the thieves then took the giant eggs out of the truck. Suddenly, the eggs started to move and shake. The thieves got a fright and hid themselves. And then Chief ChuChu and the officers jumped out of the eggs. All the thieves panicked and ran. Officer Chica and Chief ChuChu leapt and caught Connie and Gilly. The other thieves threatened Officers Chiku and Cha-Cha. But then another surprise egg opened up. Inside was Detective Snarl, the police dog. All the thieves had been caught, thanks to the ChuChuTV police.
We